Welcome to Orji Media TV. This is the channel where we explore the truth behind the headline. Orji Uzor Kalu did not steal anything from Abia State. He stole Abia State. Once more, this is Orji Media TV. We at Orji Media, we are happy to see Orji Uzor Kalu in prison, and we pray others join him very soon. If, on whatever basis, you defend any past or present governor of Southeast extraction, indicated and found guilty of looting or embezzlement or misappropriation of funds, you are worse than the notorious Anini and deserve to be stoned in whatever way it comes. We have read from a lot of people attaching tribal sentiment to Orji Uzor Kalu's incarceration. Then we ask, why are people who have lost their why are people in this way? Someone misappropriated your money, public fund, and it's worse than anything you can think of. All you do is to defend him. We have read from a lot of people once more, and we ask ourselves, why is this tribal sentiment spewing everywhere, with many brewing with this ironical tribal sentiment that his conviction is linked to 2023 presidential ambition, or his ability to financially sponsor a candidate to contest, and I felt so shocked down the spine. Anyway, no Igbo man will be president come 2023. Let's forget it for now, and that is not a priority. Let us not even discuss it, because everyone talking about it is just deceiving you. Like, seriously? You don't even care if the monies are looted from you. All you care is about using the same monies to fund a puppet and stooge pigeon to power, who would eventually in turn around to control and manipulate your state. Have you forgotten Joshua Darie? He is from the north, basically, to be precise, from Plateau State. He is a former governor, and he is an APC senator as at the time. But he is in prison today. He also is that also war against Ndibo. Do you remember Jolly Nyame? He is from the north and the former governor too. He was in APC and he was a senator. Today, where is he? He is in prison, but he was convicted too. Is that also witch hunting? Is he Igbo? Orji Uzor Kalu's case was established under PDP for those of you who cannot think, for those of you who do not have grey matters in between their skull. And he was tried severally before APC took over, and the center, and his APC members as today. Let us drop this tribal sentiment, because it makes us look silly. When all these politicians are facing the wrath of their own creation, their evil creation, the ones that they've taken your money, they've stolen, do not be a party to those that will be defending them, because they are evil. However, how we at Orji Media ask, how can you defend someone who doesn't and will never defend you? When people were killed in Abia by the federal government, did you hear Orji Uzor Kalu what he said? Orji Uzor Kalu opened his mouth to say that these boys are just giving trouble. They are closing the street. They are demanding to be free. And this is a man so many of you will walk out today and say you want to defend. See, I don't care if Hausa looters are tried or not. I don't care if Yoruba looters are tried or not. Whether they are tried, convicted or not. Mental, physical poverty will still ooze from their region. They are not Ndibo. Ndibo are a special breed. We do not condone evil. We at Orji Media, we are only concerned about the greed and the wickedness, selfishness and the fulefuism. Even Okorocha will say iberiberism of our Igbo political leaders. When they look into our faces, what do they see? Do they see a happy people? Are you happy listening, watching this video now? Are you happy? When a selfless leader will not marginalize his own people, when the northerners are marginalizing his own region, build your people, build your region with that which you have, and one can even become better. Our region ought to be one of the best than those who claim to be Nigerian monarchs. Today, nothing is working. Nothing is working. No region is working. And some people want to come and defend the one who stole them and stole their money. That he is a billionaire today is because he stole their money. 7.6 billion as of between 1999 and 2007. That was when dollar was less than 100 naira. You know what that money is today with all the accrued interest. There is no insecurity anywhere in the southeast Nigeria. The annual security vote of each southeast state is enough to build a standard seaport in the southeast, an international market in the southeast, the second Niger bridge. Even if we want to build the third Niger bridge and fourth Niger bridge, they can do it. One good specialist hospital in each of the states. Good road network linking all the southeast. Enhanced agricultural. Enhance agriculture in the southeast. Most importantly, human capital development. Do you know that what money Orji Uzor Kalu stole and the one stole by Orji and the other people, the ones that have stolen, can build rail to link Anambra, Ebonyi, Imo, Abia, all the state, Enugu, even rivers and delta, but yet we have nicompools and cucumbers who will come and rape you, and you come to the street and come online and come on WhatsApp and want to disturb our peace that you are defending them. These are the security votes of the southeastern states annually. If you don't know, let us tell you. Imo State, for instance, receives 333 million monthly. That is 4 billion annually. Enugu State receives 600 million monthly. That is 7.2 annually. Anambra State receives 840 million monthly, and that is 10 billion annually. Abia State, 700 million monthly, and that is 8.4 billion annually. Ebonyi State, 291, that is 3.5 billion annually. The total alone of the security votes received in the whole of Southeast is 129.1 billion each term for 20 years since 1999. This is enough to develop the region. Security vote in Nigeria is monthly allowances that is allocated to the 36 state governors within the federation called Nigeria for their sole purposes of funding security services, not salaries or within such state. What do? They will only go and buy some pickup SUVs, some pickup Hiluxes, and give it to the police, and we will be clapping for them that they are providing security. What a shame. It is a shame to all of us who, in one way or the other, have supported the nonsense Orji Uzor Kalu has been doing. Orji, all of them, not even Ikpeazu, he is a whole governor, but Abia State, Aba, is impassable. As you speak, there is no road in Aba, yet this is a man that collects all the money he collects, the internal generated revenue. They collect every single money they collect, and all they want to do is to steal it. When they are caught, they want to come and whip up the useless, nonsensical ethnic sentiment, and for you to start to defend them. They steal these monies and still pocket 1/3 of our monthly allocations from federal government, including the ecological for oil, the ecological fund, even the 13% derivation. And this is what they do. So we're supposed to clap for them and shout marginalization when they are the ones that are marginalizing us. In fact, there is nothing that will gladden our heart until we begin to implement the China treatment. If you are convicted, like in this case, please, there is no need to waste food. There is no need to waste our resources keeping that imbecile in there. And the best thing to do is for that person, the moment the individual is convicted, that person, the needful should be done the way they do in China. Stand with Igbo businessmen, defend them, and leave these politicians to face their karma. These are karma. Karma, they say, is real. These are thieves. They are no Igbo leaders. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. We are so angry from what we read online that people are defending Orji Uzor Kalu for raping them without any form of protection. And people will come out and say, oh, it is about 2023. 2023, our food. All we are actually interested in, since you do not want to restructure, divide the nation, let us go. Be in your northern region, be in your western region. Let us be in our own eastern region. Enough of this madness, enough of this nonsense. Is it by force to stay together? Look at the United Kingdom that actually amalgamated these three nations into one. What is happening in England today? They have decided that they have enough. They no longer want to stay with the European Union. And they're asking the Europeans, and they asked their people. Their people said, yes, let us come out of Europe. And now they are going through the process. Once more, in the media, we must say that having a referendum does not automatically equals to having an independent nation. There are processes that also have to be in place for that to happen. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. Do not cry for Orji Uzor Kalu.